All right, what's going on, guys? So today we got this brand new 36-gallon portable black tank, and I haven't used it yet. I just hooked it up. All I did was, this was a supplied hose. I just hooked it on both sides with a supplied elbow that came with it. I don't need my gloves on yet because I actually haven't touched anything that's dirty. But I hooked up the water hose to the flush, and I think we're about to see how this works. Stay tuned. Alright, so we got that pulled. As you can see, the chocolate milk is going into the tank. I just unscrewed this little right here. It's a air relief. Got that unscrewed. Okay, looks like that's done. Let's see if we can't get this over here. We're gonna open up that. That's the sewage line for the house, and we're gonna dump it in there. So you're getting a 2-for-1. You're getting to learn how to dump at your house and use a poop tank. I'll be back. All right, so we are over here next to the house where we have our plumbing. This is our sewer line that goes out to the city. So we got the supplied elbow, the supplied hose, hooked up to the bottom of Mr. Poopy. Sorry about the traffic. We live really close to a road. All right, so fingers crossed, we are going to release the Kraken. All right. Well, it would appear that this is a little higher than this, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to elevate this to get what's in here. I'll be back. All right, so milk crates. Got a couple of milk crates. Propped it up. We still got it set up here. Let's release the pressure valve and see if we can't make magic happen. There we go. All right. Now we got to do this a couple more times because we got to flush the black tank in the camper and then run some clean water through it. I'll be back. All right, so we're back over here at the camper again. Got everything hooked up. I got my air relief valve released. Let's see. Oh, I ran a little bit of water in the water hose to flush, and round 2. And we'll be back when this is done. Alright guys, so I figured I would show you how I'm getting this heavy poop tank up on these milk crates. Let's see if I can. It's a shit job, but somebody's got to do it. Whoa. All right. So I'm recording this time. I'm actually running water right now with the water hose to do the flush. This is gonna be round three. Here in a second, I will pull the lever to hopefully let some more diluted chocolate milk out. Stay tuned. All right. So, relief valve. Oh, ugh. It's quite a smelly one that time. Relief valve is open. We got it released. It's coming on out. All right. Well, I'll be back. Whoa. All right, so in my humble opinion, this is a very nice thing to have for whenever we're gonna be we're gonna hit New Mexico next year, and we're gonna pay for the New Mexico State Park Pass, and that allows us to hold on a second, allows us to camp in the state parks. And if we don't have sewer hookup, it only costs $4 a night. And it's gonna be nice so that we can, you know, pay half as much, even though $8 a night isn't really that much. But as far as using it to dump at your house, I have had to make so far probably like 5 or 6 trips, and I know I'm not anywhere near done. So, I mean, there's a big box RV place right down the street that I'm not gonna endorse. But I would rather just go and dump there for free. It would be so much quicker. But in a pinch, works.